Okay.
Okay.
Matthew, what you doing? Are you ready to do a launch?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to point it towards the rocket here, and then you do a countdown for me, okay?
10,
Say
9.
No, say 3. No, 3.
See, don't do it to me.
Let Maddie do it.
3, 4,
No,
5.
no, backwards. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh, can you hold, lady?
No, Maddie's gonna go get it.
I know.
Maddie is gonna get it.
Matthew, run!
No, he just watch it, honey.
Mama!
Oh, look at the papers coming down.
Get the papers!
That's great.
I'll get the rocket. Get the secret rocket then and hurry up.
Hey, look at it, it's
Haley.
coming right to us. Jim, you do a pretty good job. Here comes Maddie. Go get it. Run, 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 run.
Wow, that was close. That's within about 10 feet. Not bad. Is that fun, Maddie?